Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi gym. First, let's explore the foundational principles of traditional Indian fitness, which emphasize holistic strength and mobility. Next, we'll identify the key equipment you'll need to build a functional home gym. Finally, I'll guide you through setting up your dedicated workout space effectively, ensuring it's optimized for your training needs. This approach focuses on practical, accessible methods for a powerful fitness journey. For your Desi gym, essential equipment includes traditional tools. The Gada, or Indian mace, is crucial for developing functional strength and rotational power. Indian clubs, also known as jori or mudgar, are excellent for enhancing shoulder mobility, grip strength, and coordination. If space permits, an akara or wrestling pit provides an ideal surface for grappling, bodyweight exercises, and traditional wrestling techniques. These tools offer a holistic approach to physical development. Optimizing your gym space is vital for effective training. Designate a clear area, ideally around 10 by 10 feet, to allow for full range of motion with your equipment. Ensure the space has proper ventilation and natural light to create a comfortable and energizing environment. Finally, organize all your equipment neatly for easy access and to prevent any tripping hazards, making your workout routine safer and more efficient. A well-organized space enhances focus and consistency. To maximize your Desi gym, develop a consistent training regimen that incorporates traditional exercises like Gada swings and jori movements. Regular practice builds strength and endurance. Equally important is maintaining your equipment. Clean and inspect your tools regularly to ensure their longevity and your safety. And hey, before you go, make sure to check the description for links to the darn tough socks and other great deals. A well-maintained gym and consistent effort will lead to lasting results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.